Hey Money Multipliers, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a policy loan payment from your OneAmerica website. So what this means is that we want to pay back a policy loan. So we're going to just go to oneamerica.com, click Individual Policy Service Request at the bottom, click Policy Service Request again. That's going to bring open this window where we're just going to select online payment. From here, we're going to fill in these yellow fields with our information. After our information is filled out, we're just going to enter our policy number. And then if you are both the owner and the insured, go ahead and click this box. Otherwise, enter in the name of whoever's insured and then click continue. From here, it's going to bring us to this request page. So we're making a loan repayment in this case. So in that yellow box, just enter the amount that you want to pay on the loan. And then here it says, I authorize this one-time premium payment to be made by charging the bank account listed below in the amount of however much you want to pay. Okay, from here, we're going to continue to fill out the yellow boxes. So we're going to click yes, we're the bank account owner, and then select whether it's a consumer or business bank account, a savings or checking account. Then go ahead and enter in your routing and account number for the account that you want this payment to come from. Hopefully it's a segregated account that you've already set up. We're then just going to enter in the city where you're currently located when you're filling this out, along with the state that you're located when filling this out. From here, we just click continue. The following page will have some information. Be sure to read that information over carefully so that you know what's going on, and then go ahead and submit the payment. Simple as that. If you have any questions, reach out to your implementation specialist. Otherwise, I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you in future videos.